So, after reading the story, today I'm going to talk about the fun lesson we're going to do tomorrow. So, after reading the text, Valentine's Mouse, we are going to answer some questions. Mrs. Rollins is going to ask you some questions about the text, and we're going to pick 4 key details, and we're going to draw a picture of those 4 key details. Okay? So, what I want you guys to do at home with your parents is I want you guys to go ahead and I want you to watch the story, listen to the story, and I want you to think of the main idea and some key details so you're ready for tomorrow.
By Doug Cushman. Click that subscribe button for more children's books.
Let's listen to the story.
Valentine mice deliver valentines. Red, pink, skip, hop. Up this hill, then slide down. One little mouse goes swoosh, plop. One to the rabbit, 2 for the squirrels, 3 for the chipmunks. Zip, nip. More to deliver. Cross the pond. Slide, glide, slip, flip. Valentine's here. Valentine's there. Shower valentines. Throw, throw, throw. Valentine mice. 1, 2, 3. One is missing. Where can he be? Valentine mice look high and low. Hurry, worry, call, shout. Follow these footprints. Quick, quick. There's a mitten. Pull him out. All together now. Dig, tug, push, pull. Yay! One little mouse gets a Valentine hug. Thanks for reading with Happy Cultivate.
Okay, guys, so now I want you to think about that story and talk it over with your parents. And I want you to come up with the one main idea and the 4 key details. And Mrs. Rollins is going to read it to you again tomorrow. And so I want you guys to be very ready for class tomorrow. So you need to go through and you need to think about the text and be able to pick the main idea and to ask and answer the questions that we're going to talk about tomorrow. And then I want you to pick one main idea and 4 key details. For example, if Mrs. Rollins talks about when I woke up this morning, what did I do? I woke up this morning, I got dressed, I ate breakfast, I brushed my teeth, I brushed my hair, I put my shoes on. So if I was to say the main topic would be Mrs. Rollins woke up, Mrs. Rollins got dressed, Mrs. Rollins brushed her teeth, I brushed my hair, and then I put my shoes on. So those are my 4 key details. So I need you to think of yours about the Valentine's mice. I'm going to read you the story again tomorrow. We'll go over some more examples. And you will listen to the story with your listening ears. And you will need to find the main idea first. Then we're going to choose again 4 key details from the text, and then after we choose that, you're going to draw a picture of what those details look like. So if you put about the mice getting stuck, then maybe you can draw a picture of the mice getting stuck in the snow. We're going to go ahead, and what we're going to do is you're going to be able to refer to key details from the story and summarize the text students will be able to summarize the text and be able to refer to your key details in the text and use your inference comprehension and relate to our real lives, okay? We're going to think of stuff with the story that can relate to our real life, like maybe Valentine's Day. And our objective is going to be to ensure that you can comprehend the text that's being read to you and that you can recall our details from the story. So by the end of this lesson, boys and girls, you're going to be able to point out the main idea in a text. You're going to be able to ask and answer questions about the text. And you will be able to find key details in the text to support your main idea. And then we get to have fun and draw 4 pictures. So you can draw me those pictures and I can see all of your pretty drawings. And by the end, we'll be able to answer questions and ask questions explicitly referring to our text. And you can point out the main topic and all of your key details for Mrs. Rowland. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I can't wait. Don't forget, start thinking about your 4 key details. And if you guys have any questions, you can contact me via email or on my phone. Bye. See you tomorrow.